Hey guys, it's Lindsay here. So I am starting my first small business called Lin de Art and Design. I haven't gotten any orders yet because I have not put everything up on my shop yet, but I did want to package a little thing that I had ready to buy, just to kind of figure out what kind of packaging I wanted, what I wanted to look like, and also to share my business. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about my business as I package this. So as you see here, this is a very tiny spell jar. This one's actually for protection. These are the very smallest ones that I do. They are the mini ones. I do multiple sizes for these. And they also come with a surprise crystal stone, whatever. Well, not really surprise. It's a unknown one. You won't know what you're getting until you get it, kind of thing. Which I don't include that in this one because I haven't gotten it ordered yet, so I just haven't put it in. But anyways, so I am going to be making a lot of things for my Etsy. I've got paintings, customs, stuff like this that I'm packaging right here with the spell jars, woodwork. I have a lot of things that I'm going to be putting into my Etsy, so I hope that you guys can check me out, and hopefully I will have a lot more up soon. I've been working a lot for the past few months on organization and looking into what all I will be selling, so I'm hoping that by 2022, hopefully, I will have a lot more up on my shop. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I really hope you guys can check it out. So I will leave the rest of this video to the packaging.